In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise with HubStaff. This walkthrough is made to be clear, smooth, and easy to follow so you can connect everything correctly without confusion. By the end of this video, you will have Wise linked to your HubStaff account, allowing you to move forward with payments and integrations more efficiently. Make sure you are already signed in to your HubStaff account before you begin so you can follow along without interruptions. Once you are on your HubStaff homepage, take a moment to look at the main navigation area. From there, click the drop-down beside Settings. This is where HubStaff keeps important configuration options for your account. After opening the menu, click Integrations. This section shows all the external services that HubStaff can connect with. Inside the Integrations page, slowly scan the list until you find Wise. When you see it, click Connect beside Wise. This action tells HubStaff that you want to start linking your Wise account. After clicking Connect, a new screen will appear to guide you through the connection process. Carefully review what you see, then click Next to continue. At this point, you'll be prompted to log in to your Wise account. Make sure you enter the correct login details associated with the Wise account you want to connect. This step is important because it authorizes HubStaff to securely communicate with Wise. Take your time here and confirm that you are logging into the correct account before proceeding. Once the login is completed, the connection process will finalize automatically. HubStaff will confirm that Wise has been successfully connected, and you will now see Wise listed as an active integration in your account. This means the connection is complete and ready to be used according to your workflow settings. After everything is set up, it is a good idea to double-check the integration status to make sure it shows as connected. This helps avoid issues later on and ensures that everything is working as expected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.